The grip block from MicroJig is an incredibly versatile push block you should be using all over your shop. It features the same green grip material as the gripper, but a lot more of it. In addition to a wider gripping surface, the grip block has 4 smart hooks that engage at the end of the board for added stability and control, while still automatically retracting mid-board to maintain contact with its green grip material. The side of the grip block has a broad 90-degree surface perpendicular to the face, allowing you to use it horizontally and vertically. When they're not needed, the smart hooks can be locked away in a snap. The built-in Q20 inserts allow you to add the deflector connector as a chip guard and for added protection while making cuts. And don't just take my word for it. Check out what these fancy pants publications have to say about it. 98% recommended by Handy Woodworker product testers. 5 out of 5 from Wood Magazine. Grip block can replace many of the push blocks you have currently laying around the shop. It has all the features you need in a push block built into a single tool. MicroJig has changed the game with its grip block. This puppy has bite. Toss out your shop-made push block because MicroJig has taken the basic design and made it 1, 2, 3 times better. Grip block provides unparalleled safety and control all over your shop like no other push block in the world. MicroJig. Work safer, work smarter.